For decades, native British Mauritians have demanded justice. Petitions, lawsuits, appeals. Their plea: acknowledge the injustice, respect the law, restore what was taken. Westminster's response? Silence and empty apologies, never addressing the illegal partition. Financial compensation was offered, but the core issue, sovereignty and the right of return, remains unresolved. The legal system and democratic process have failed them. Their rights as British nationals seem conditional, their voices secondary to politics. This indifference deepens the wound, sending a message that their suffering doesn't matter. They aren't begging for charity. They demand rights and equal justice. They believe in the British legal system's promise, asking the UK to honour its ideals. The silence is a moral failure, ignoring the humanity of those wronged. Their struggle continues, a testament to their belief that justice must prevail. 61 years of pain, but also hope and determination. Elders pass the flame of resistance to the young. The fight for justice endures. Their cry is for the future. Respect, acknowledgement and restoration of their homeland. This is a human rights issue, not just a political dispute. Recognition is the first step, admitting the partition was illegal and immoral. Without truth, there can be no reconciliation. The demand: a future built on justice and law, not denial. They call for restoration, addressing the illegal partition and the right to return. This is about mending the bond between people and land. The cry for justice is a testament to resilience and hope. The time for silence is over. The world is watching. The people of Mauritius, Chagos, Rodrigues and Agalega wait, hope shining in the darkness.
De la loi de 1805 et depuis ce jour-là notre liberté est un labyrinthe. Vous suivez 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗔 en exclusivité. Regarde-les aujourd'hui, ils louent notre dignité, une location de notre âme pour couvrir leur malhonnêteté. C'est du state capture, une mafia au sommet. Pendant que mon peuple pleure, ils comptent leur sommet. Mais le rule of law n'oublie jamais les dates. 1965, 67, 68, échec et mat. On n'est pas des étiquettes, on n'est pas leurs produits. On réclame la justice, on réclame notre vie.
Ils ont vendu notre honneur, brisé notre identité. Sur des lois coloniales, ils ont bâti la fausseté. Voix d'ab initio, tout leur système est vicié. Le peuple a trop souffert, il est temps de tout briser.
Mes frères et sœurs de Maurice, de Rodrigues, de Chagos et d'Agalega. Le mensonge a duré trop longtemps. Justice. Vous suivez 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗔 en exclusivité.